So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to bold text on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, I want you to go ahead here in your design, go to the left hand side and press on text. And then I'll just go ahead and add a heading for this example. Now, if you want to make sure that text is bolded, so for example, I'll just type in text and then right below, I'll type in text again. So I believe by default, both of these are bolded. So for example, if you wanted to unbold them, simply just go to the top here. We'll actually go ahead here and just change the font in general so it's a little bit easier to go. So for example, if we have this text right here, that's not bolded. If you wanted to, let's just go ahead and I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. If you wanted to bold the top one, just go to the top here to where it's bold, or also if you're on a Mac, you can go Command B and it'll work the exact same way. But if I press bold right here, that's an example of the text that's bolded. This isn't. Once again, if you go Command B, you can unbold it just like that. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can bold text here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.